morning students. Today I am going to take the class 3rd standard, the social science. The lesson name is Our Friends. Our friends is mentioned here is not about your school friends, it's about your community friends. The community friends are police, traffic police, judges are the community helpers. These helpers are helping in our day-to-day life. I will give you the one riddle to you. You have to find that who is that. Okay. The riddle is, you can hear its ding dong bell before it comes. Lives are saved and protect the properties from the fire. What is that? Yes, that is a fire engine. Okay. The fire engine gives the bell warning sounds to you so that the people give the way to the fire engine. The fire engine has to go fast to reach the place, to reach the spot to save the people and their properties. Okay. The fire engine contains the firefighters, ladder, foam and other properties with the help of the water, foam, ladder and other fire extinguisher objects and devices. The vehicle is not only used for the fire accidents, it will be used also for the disasters too. The firefighters are well trained and they wear the protective jackets. Once you call the firefighters, they come to the spot and then help you. Next, when if there is any emergency case means or any health issues means, to whom will you call you? Yes, really it is ambulance. Okay, the ambulance contains the first aid, doctor and nurse and all. Here the ambulance is made for this way. Ambulance vehicle is made for only those who are in need of emergency treatment. The needle people are lives in danger or suffer from heart attack, faint, unable to walk. These are the people needed for the ambulance. The ambulance contains the first aid. The first aid is the actual life-saving treatment before the actual treatment. First aid gives the immediate care to the patient. The first aid contains from nurse, doctor and the first aid and the medicines also. The doctor, if you are not feeling well means, to whom will you visit? Yes, obviously it's a doctor. Doctor will diagnose you according to your illness. According to your illness, they will give the medicines and all, right? In the same way, nurse, there will be one more community helper is there. Who is that? Yes, that is the nurse. The nurse will help you to cure and she will inject you and wound you, etc. Next one. Teacher. Teacher helps in learning new things to the students. They facilitate the education for many children and they teach us the moral values like punctuality, politeness, respecting elders, obedience, obeying the elders and also they enlighten our knowledge with their knowledge. Next one is judge. Judge gives the justice for the people for various cases. Judge working place is the court. The Supreme Court is the guardian of Constitution. The Constitution means set of law and the rules orders are followed by the government. This is about the judge. Next one is farmer. The farmer engaged in agriculture, raising the livestock. Livestock means poultry. Poultry means which gives the egg and milk. They produce the good crops for the healthy living. Because of them we are living happily. Variety of foods for human. They produce the variety of foods for human and the animals. They work hard in soil and they plough. The mud gives us the food. Next one, soldier. Soldiers sacrifice their own life for the welfare of our country and for the people also. They fight to protect from the enemies. They are called the real heroes. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose formed the Indian National Army. Next one is police. Police protect the people and their properties. They make sure rules and regulations are followed by the people correctly. They protect our community from the crime. The dial number for the police is 100. This is about the police. Next one is traffic police. Traffic police is one who controls the vehicles coming from all the direction, and he redirects the vehicle towards the correct path. They protect the pedestrians. Here pedestrians means who are walking on the road. This is about the traffic police. Next one is engineer. Engineer gives the structure to the building and the design the building based on the plan have been made earlier. Next one is road workers. Roads are laid by the road workers. The roads these are to make travel easy for the pedestrians and the vehicle. Okay, we will recall what we had seen here. Okay, what is the number for ambulance? Dial number for ambulance is ambulance is 108. For police, the number is 100. Fire station, fire engine 101. The community helpers means here not your school friends. This is about your helpers in our day-to-day life. Who are they? They are engineer, police, traffic police, judge, teacher, firefighters, doctor and nurse. They are called the community helpers. They help us in our daily life. So we have to proud of them. Okay, today's homework is 144. The first question, Roman letter 3, answer the following. First question, name some people who serves us. Who are serving us? Yes, the community helpers. Who are they? Police, traffic police, judge, engineer, teacher, farmer are they. Okay, the class is over. See you in the next class. Thank you, students.